Give me a nice close flyby to my camera. Nice. You should be playing some nice tranquil flute music or something, Dave. Alright, I reckon you should buzz that cow.
Which one?
Just buzz over his head and then come back, see what he does.
Which is my favourite thing?
Okay, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. He was perturbed. Whoa, whoa!
No, full throttle, I couldn't stop it. That and then like...
If it was full throttle, try to take it off again. It was probably just angled too much. I couldn't gain height.
Okay, I should have probably pushed away.
If it was full throttle and the battery isn't running out, then yeah. But that was cool. Come, buzz Dave, but don't kill my ladybird.
Oh.
I reckon you need to be a little bit smoother on the throttle as you take off. It might actually need a couple of clicks of trim. Sorry, my camera works shite at the moment. Up, up, up.